Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to draw a head and shoulder in TradingView. Okay, so to draw a head and shoulder, you can simply click on the sidebar on this tool. Then after here you use the third option is called head and shoulder. Okay, you can simply tap on it. Once you tap, now here you have option to select. Now firstly you can simply draw your head, left shoulder, sorry. Okay, sorry, wait, yes. Now I need to draw my left shoulder. Here you will see on my screen. Then after the head, you can draw your head. Okay, and now the right shoulder you will find here. So here is how you can easily draw your head and shoulder in your TradingView. Okay, I will also show you again in a chart. You can simply click on the head and shoulder, and now firstly click your left shoulder. Now draw it, then your head, and then at last your right shoulder. Okay, like this, and then you will easily draw head and shoulder in your TradingView. Okay, goodbye.